Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Redmi Buds 3 Lite with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all, before pairing you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you can find input for the USB-C cable, and for sure you have to input them inside. When you charge them, at the first you have to put them inside, open the case and remove them from this case. Now just take a look. As you can see in this place, we can find white indicators and they are blinking. So it means that right now they are visible to other devices. There is no any manual pairing mode. So when you charge them, put to the case, this pairing mode will be enabled automatically. Next, you have to go for the settings on your iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and right now just wait until they pops on the list. Then click on them once, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.